Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Vanessa CX Beauty. Today I wanted to talk about something I do on the side to get more money to buy more makeup. So I got this idea because I was going to recycle with my mom and she was like, would you ever tell your subscribers that you recycle to get money for makeup? And I was like, I haven't done that, but I think that's a really good idea because I feel like some people can benefit from this. So now we are here. I ended up filming my little journey of doing the bottles, and I showed y'all what I do, where I go, and all that jazz. So if y'all are interested in that, just continue watching. Y'all, look at how dirty my hands are. Alright y'all, so today's bottle journey got us $29 richer. And I just wanted to share that with y'all because I'm always buying new makeup and I'm always looking for other ways to make money because one, my job doesn't cut it, and two, I love buying makeup. So this is one of the things. The other thing that I do is I'm a wag walker as well, so that's a little bit of extra cash to go into my makeup funds. And I feel like this video was necessary because sometimes we feel like we can't afford things, but there are so many things around us that we can do to actually be able to afford them. And I hope this inspired somebody to start recycling, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video because it was really last minute and I loved it. I love the idea and it makes me feel more close to y'all because y'all know what I do to get money now in addition to my job. But nonetheless, it's an awesome way to get money and take plastic off of the streets of the world. And New York City has so many bottles to pick up. So have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye bye.